Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Alright, this is a continuation of the previous tutorial. Um, like you remember, we created a blog, and this is actually the blog which we created. If you remember, it's called redballer.blogspot.com. Okay. Now, if you notice around here, we don't have any content. You can see that it's saying there is no content right here. So we have to put like two contents in order for our visitors to be engaging in our blog website. And in order to do that, we have to go back to blogger.com. Alright, we have to log in our detail and make sure it appears. And then if you're already logged in, we don't need to log in anymore. It will just pop up our dashboard for us. And if you notice my browser is slowing down, that's because my Wi-Fi is actually very low. So don't mind me, I'm in Nigeria. Alright, this is our dashboard, and you can see how it looks with this post area. And on default, it actually selects our post area for us. And then you can see that there is no post here. So in order for us to create a new post, we can create here to create a new post. But on default, after this particular time, it only shows this area because we haven't created any post. But normally, this is where we should create in order for us to create a new post. So I'm not going to make use of this option. I'm going to use this normal one. Click on it and then wait for it to load up. Alright, it's loading. Just because it's taking some time, I have to pause this video. Alright guys, you're back. Now our post area have opened up for us. Okay, if you observe this area, we have different sections. You can notice that it says a post title. This is where your post title goes into. And right here, you can see that content, this one is actually bigger than this other one right here. So our post goes in here and our post title goes in here. And then after the post title, you can notice this particular option here that says compose option. This is actually a section where you'll be able to compose normal this thing, like say hello pals. This is a post. Okay, now after this one, we can notice the one next to it says HTML. If you click on it, you notice that it changes and gives you different options. You can now notice that our tab option have changed to bold, italic, and slash, and then it also gives us a link caption, and then our image is also there, and then our quote is also there. So this area is where it allows us to add in some codings for developers. And then if you're not a developer, never mind, never come to this area, just make use of the compose area. But if you are a developer and you can do some other, some other HTML and CSS, you can actually make use of this area. And then you can just say H1. Let me just type a single HTML tag, H1, and then close it up. Every programmer knows what I'm typing. This is just a simple HTML code, and then you can just say span, and then close it, and then italic. And then don't forget to put in your I and then close it. Then when you're done, you can just go here to preview your HTML code. Alright, this is just our normal write-up, and this is our header, which is our H1 tag, and this is an italic. You can notice that it's an italic, and this is span. Okay, so hope you guys are understanding this. And then for non-programmers, you can actually make use of this area, while you could pick your font format here. Let's say you want to make use of Georgia, or you actually want to make it a larger text. And then for some case, we want to make this a subheading or a mirror heading. You could actually select this option right here. And then if you want to make it bold, sorry, I was recording before, and then you want to make it bold, Hello guys, my name is Trust. Welcome to today's tutorial. Alright guys, welcome back. Then that was actually the video I was recording. Okay, now to make use of our subheading, our subheading enables us to actually give a heading tag and a subheading tag to a title. For instance, alright, you can see that if you notice it's actually more bolder than a normal content. Let me show you what a normal content looks like. Alright, this is a simple test, and then new features are on it, and this is actually a subheading. This is a subheading. You can see that it's actually a little bit bigger than the normal heading. So guys, there is nothing much to be on this area, and then you could actually go further to adding bold, and italic, adding bold, italic, underlining, and then probably let's slash this particular content or cancel it out. There are several options to use right here, and then if you probably want to give it a color, you could actually do that. So every tools are here for you to explore. And then if you for some reason want to add a link, for example, we can say google.com. This is actually going to take us to google.com, and then when you're done, put the heading here, and then when you're done, just click on OK. Okay, it becomes a link for us. And then if we want to upload an image, we could say we could upload an image from the web. We could upload an image from our system. If we want to upload an image from our system, we make use of this particular option. Let me look for a picture. Sorry, let me go to pictures and select this particular image. I'll wait for it to load again. My browser is slow, so let me pause this video. Alright, our video have uploaded successfully for us. All we have to do is to select on it and then add selection. Wait for it to load up, and then it will come up like before. Okay, now the image is loaded up for us, and once we click on it, we can add so many options for it. For instance, we can say align left. It's going to align left, and you can see that our titles are here. If you don't want it to align left, you can just say align right. It's going to align right for us. And we can also manage this particular section, like let's say manage it, make the image medium, make the image large, or make it original size. And if the original size is a bit too big, just make it extra large or make it large. You could actually use any option you want. So once you're done, you could say let's add a caption, and then the caption could say let's make it okay, my team. Alright, I actually abbreviated the names of my team. Okay, thank you for this tutorial. Actually, there are other options you could actually explore. For instance, inserting a video. You could actually insert a YouTube video. You select this particular option, and then it search your video for you. We don't have a particular YouTube channel, so it actually search any video at random for us. And let me say I search TS Tech Talk. and then search for it. It's going to actually use the YouTube algorithm to integrate and give us all the videos that are related to TS Tech Talk. So we actually select any particular video, and then if you are a YouTuber, you could actually select this particular option right here, and it will display all the videos on your channel for you, and you can actually select those and then work on it. So right now let's select TS Tech Talk. And then search for it. Let's open any particular video and then click on select. Alright, this is our video right here, and then we are so glad we have this video here, and we could actually go further in editing this. You might not be able to edit this, so if you notice the screen is a little bit too small and not large enough to fill the screen, you could actually go to your HTML area, and then, sorry again, if you're not a developer, please don't do this, because it might actually spoil your content on your browser and then get messed up. So I advise you to leave this for a developer. Alright, you can notice I actually increase the size of my video, so the size of this video is going to increase and not the normal small width that was given to it. Alright, then apart from that, we could actually add an emoji, which is also very interesting to add. We could actually scroll down to look for a particular emoji, or we could search here for the keyword. But then we don't want to make use of that. Many people don't even make use of that. And if you want to add a break tag, you can add a break tag, and then to make a content centralized and everything. This tool actually have a lot of tools for you to use. You could actually go ahead and explore more in your own time. And then before I sign out, I'll actually introduce you to this particular label area where you'll be able to add the label. The label actually describes the particular category of the news. So the category of this particular news is actually talking about tech. So we're just going to tag it tech and then click on done. And then we're just going to say this is a tech post. And then never post a news without giving it a title. Always give a title before posting a news, and then always have an image at the top, because the image becomes the featured image and it displays and makes your web browser looks nice. Alright, let's go ahead and publish this, and then I'm going to publish 2 other videos for you so that our page will be empty. Let me go ahead and refresh. Alright guys, we can see right here, this is our video. And because we added that one at the first place, you can see that it actually showed very nice and simple for us. And once we click on it, it actually opens the real full news for us. Actually, once you click on the title, it opens the real detail of the content, and then we can see everything we've added into the news shows right here. Because remember that we actually made this thing to align right for us, so we actually aligned right. But because the content is not big enough, so it's actually floated to the left. So actually I'm going to add more video, and we can also test this out to see if it plays, and you can notice that it plays well for us, and we are very happy with the full width that it's showing us. And we can actually navigate to YouTube area right here. But while the video plays, let me add more content and then for you guys to.
Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. My name is Trust Stanley. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear your cache on your Facebook Messenger. Alright, most times you do browse a lot, and a lot of cache will
Alright guys, we're done posting this particular post. Now let me go back to the home page. To do that, we can just navigate or just delete this particular area and then click enter. Okay, you can notice that this is our last post, and then you can see the date, and then when you scroll down you can see the remaining of the news. Okay, this is actually how our news appears for us. Alright, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos.